The Center for Maritime Studies was established in 1987. Since then, it is the leading institution in the Maldives providing maritime education and training to the Maldivian community. Currently, we have more than 30 short courses approved by the Maldives Transport Authority. Additionally, we provide 3 courses which are accredited by Maldives Qualification Authority and approved by Maldives Transport Authority. These are 3 semester-based courses, namely Certificate 3 in Marine Operations, Certificate 4 in Marine Operations, and Certificate 3 in Marine Engineering. All the courses are accredited by Maldives Qualification Authority. And in 2021, we will be offering the Chief Mate and Master course for students who already have the Certificate of Competency as Officer in Charge of a Navigational Watch. Additionally, we are working to develop a bachelor's degree program in Marine Operations Management, which are targeted to students already who have their Certificate 4 in Marine Operations and for fresh candidates who have completed their A-levels. We are proud to announce a new short course for the year 2021 with the title Shipboard Draft Surveying. The course is of 100 hours and are targeted to students who already hold the Certificate of Competency as Officer in Charge of a Navigational Watch, students who already have Certificate of Competency as Chief Mate, students who already have Certificate of Competency as Master Foreign Going. The course is approved by Maldives Transport Authority and will be delivering the course contents according to UNECE guidelines for draft survey. The Center for Maritime Studies remains committed to develop maritime education and training for the international shipping industry, for the local liveaboard and small craft industry, and for the international yachting industry. I would like to brief regarding the Certificate 3 in Marine Operations or C3MO course. The C3MO course is one of the most important courses developed by the Center for Maritime Studies. It enables a student to join the maritime industry from at least grade 6 levels. The course is of 6 months, 1 semester, and 8 subjects are taught. Subjects such as navigation, meteorology, ship construction, stability, legal knowledge are taught during the course. These subjects forms the foundation of his studies in the years ahead. It enables a student to join the maritime industry from at least grade 6 levels. The course is of 6 months, 1 semester, or 15 weeks. Subjects such as navigation, meteorology, ship construction, ship stability, law are taught during the course. These subjects forms the fundamental or the foundation of a student in the years ahead to progress in his maritime career.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Faisal. I work in the Center for Maritime Studies, the Maldives National University, as a full-time lecturer. I studied Malaysian Maritime Academy and completed Chief Mate and Master program and obtained unlimited COC from Marine Department of Malaysia. And it's time now to brief you regarding this course. Well, the course name is Certificate 3 in Marine Engineering. This is a very good program for the students who would like to come in the maritime sector as well as in the shore-based jobs. Actually, this course duration is 15 weeks, one semester, and it is MNQF level 3. And it requires the candidates who would like to come to join this course. It's very easy. For example, entry requirements, completion of basic education or attainment of level 2 qualification, or 3 years experience in engine room with 750 kW engine or 18 years of age, and ability to communicate in English language, and formal education not required. Standard for the candidate is okay. If the candidate is up to grade 6 standard is also no problem. The course can be a gateway to take up career in yachting, shipping and maritime transportation, companies, ship boat yards, seaports. This course is also accepted as an entry level for certificate 4 in marine engineering. I mean, and if the candidate has completed this level, and automatically the student can go to the certificate 4 level also. About 90% of the cargo and goods are carried by sea, and as we have seen that Maldives is 99% water, and it is very important for the students who are coming to the sea to take career in the vessels like yachts, speedboats, safaris, and oil tankers, LCTs. This is a good opportunity for them to build up their career in marine engineering. Well, Center for Maritime Studies is in Maldives, is the only government institute for students who has the intention to go onto the sea. And our institute, we have conduct so much courses with regard to STCW and safety courses, as well as refresher and updating courses, and also other related fields in the maritime. And once again, I would like to say that for the students who would like to join in certificate 3 in marine engineering, they also need additionally letter of eligibility from transport authority. Before finishing my conversation, I would like again to mention that the certificate 3 in marine engineering, well, this course duration is one semester, 15 weeks, full time at the center, MNQF level 3. This course requires no STCW certification, no transport requirement, and students who can join for this course is very easy. If they have grade 6 standard, also no problem. Basic education, and this is also good for them to develop their infrastructure. And I hope that this course will make them a very good positive image for their future endeavors.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Captain Muhammad Zubair, lecturer at the Center for Maritime Studies of the Maldives National University. I am going to give more details and information about this Certificate 4 in Marine Operations conducted at the CMS. Certificate 4 in Marine Operations, formerly Advanced Certificate in Marine Operations, is the most prestigious course conducted at the CMS at the moment. Certificate 4 or Advanced Certificate in Marine Operations encourages young people who have experience at sea to become marine officers, and in addition, the provision of qualifying for applicants without grade 10 level mathematics and physics is based on the national interest as well as on meeting individual needs. The overall aim of the course is to prepare students to work as responsible, knowledgeable, and safe junior officers in the merchant vessels in accordance with the International Convention on Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers 1978 as amended. Additionally, students will gain skills or knowledgeable which will be an advantage in choosing their careers, such as marine surveyors, freight forwarders, ship managers, maritime lawyers, ship brokers, quality system auditors, marine instructor brokers, marine consultant, and marine and education teachers in the maritime institutions. This course is the foundation course to become a foreign-going unlimited master mariner. C4MO has been accredited by the Maldives Qualification Authority as a level 4 course and being approved by the Maldives Transport Authority. This course has been designed so as to meet the mandatory minimum requirements for certification of officers in charge of a navigational watch on ships of 500 gross tonnages or more, as per the regulation 2/1 of the Standards on Training, Certification, Watchkeeping for Seafarers 1978 as amended by the International Maritime Organization. This means once you completed the course, you have completed the approved education and training and meet the standard of competence specified in Section A 2/1 of the STCW Code for the issue of Certificate of Competency as an officer in charge of a navigational watch. All subjects are being taught using a competency-based approach and conform to the skills and standards of performance set out in the IMO model course for officer in charge of navigational watch approved by the International Maritime Organization. Total contact hours of the course are 914 hours including theory and practical classes. The duration has been split into 2 semesters to be completed within 1 year. Course consists of 15 different subject areas and a group projects. In some subject practical trainings are based on physical practicals, and in other subjects it is based on simulator trainings. To meet the above requirements of competency and practical training, MNU has invested considerably in resources for CMS, including library resources, rescue equipment, and simulation equipment. Upon completion of the course, you will be awarded with the Certificate 4 in Marine Operations from the Maldives Maritime University. In some subjects, practical trainings are based on physical practicals, and in other subjects, it is based on simulator training. To meet the above requirements of competency and practical training, MNU has invested considerably in resources for CMS, including library resources, rescue equipment, and simulation equipment. Upon completion of the course, you will be awarded with the Certificate 4 in Marine Operations from the Maldives National University. The first batch of this course was started in 2003, and up to date 55 students have completed the course. At present, students who have completed the course has studied further from abroad and has become masters on board foreign-going vessels. In addition, some students are working as officers on foreign-going vessels and are employed as harbor pilots, marine surveyors, and are teaching in maritime institutions. Entry requirements. Entry requirements for this course are completion of secondary level education or attainment of level 3 qualification in a related field, or completion of grade 7 and 18 years of age and demonstration of 1 year experience in the maritime industry, or approved seagoing service of not less than 12 months. Entry requirements for this course is 1. Completion of secondary education, or 2. Attainment of level 3 qualification related field, or 3. Completion of grade 7 and 18 years of age and demonstration of 1 year experience in the maritime industry, or 4. Approved seagoing service of not less than 12 months as part of an approved training program, which includes on-board training that meets the requirements of section 1/1 of the STCW code and is documented in an approved training record book, or 5. Have approved seagoing services of not less than 36 months and have performed during the required seagoing bridge watchkeeping. For approved seagoing service of not less than 12 months as part of an approved training program, which includes onboard training that meets the requirement of section 2/1 of the STCW code and is documented in an approved training record book, or 5. Have approved seagoing service of not less than 36 months and have performed during the required seagoing service bridge watchkeeping under the supervision of a master or a qualified officer for a period of not less than 6 months. For the criteria 4 and 5, applicants must submit letter of eligibility for 500 gross tonnage and above vessels from the Maldives Transport Authority. CMS is now in the process of developing diploma and advanced diploma programs in the related field. Also, CMS will very soon be developing Bachelor of Science in Maritime Operations Management in near future. These courses conducted at the CMS has very good opportunity for the maritime sector and who are going to be in the maritime field or any field relating to this sector. Me Center for Maritime Studies hinga course-taki mi daara allavana farattaka ves adi miharus mi daara ole farattakum maritime gule daara tawga nota e field toga kuriya dimattaka vara muhim course-taki